In a world that's always changing, always growing, the people of the world depend on the power of progress, today and in the future. At Danfoss Hydrostatics, we're engineering a better future for everyone. Our hydrostatic technology powers the machines that build, sustain, serve, and connect our world. Our hydraulic pumps, motors, and transmissions are engineered and built by teams of highly trained, highly skilled experts who share a common goal: create world-class hydrostatic systems that are second to none. Danfoss hydrostatic components have tighter tolerances and deliver exceptionally precise operation to help machines last longer and be more productive, while using less fuel, producing lower emissions, and needing fewer repairs. Danfoss Hydrostatics collaborates with original equipment manufacturers and partners with a strong global distribution network to develop product-specific solutions. Solutions that are precisely and efficiently controlled with software tailored to each machine's purpose and each manufacturer's specifications. Solutions that are proven to perform at our exclusive application development centers, where prototypes are rigorously tested, carefully refined, and tested again until the final result achieves every goal. So the machines that are manufactured not only meet, but exceed customer expectations. Customers use those machines all over the world, which is why we provide parts, service, and support all over the world. At Danfoss Hydrostatics, we power the machines that build the places where people work and live. Machines that plant and harvest the food that sustains us. Machines that move the goods we depend on. Machines that connect us to energy, to knowledge, to each other. Danfoss Hydrostatics, engineering a better future.